For anyone interested in how the exhaust fan performs on the KitchenAid flush mount microwave, I just got a little pot of boiling water here, and you can see it's fogging up the microwave, so I'll just put it on high. You can just see it disappearing from the front of the microwave here in real time. Up through there. That opens up some room here. And it is almost completely off the front of the microwave there. So then if I turn it to medium, it's still doing a pretty good job of getting that steam, although some more of it is hitting the front of the microwave. Then low. Not too bad.